I'm Fiona Forbes for Investment Pitch Media. Great Atlantic Resources has submitted its application for Phase 2 drilling at its Golden Promise gold property. The Golden Promise property and nearby Southwest Golden property are located within the central Newfoundland Gold Belt. The Jaclyn Zone is located within the northern region of the Golden Promise property and hosts 5 gold-bearing quartz vein systems, being the Jaclyn Main, Jaclyn North, Jaclyn South, Jaclyn East, and Jaclyn West zones. Drilling is planned at the Jaclyn Zone, specifically the Jaclyn Main Zone, and along projected strike east of the Jaclyn North Zone, including areas of high-grade quartz boulders excavated in 2017, which assayed at 163.9, 208.5, and 332.6 grams per ton gold. The Phase 2 drilling application will include infill drill holes at the Jaclyn Main Zone, including in the west area within the conceptual open pit area, where 10 holes totaling 163 meters were completed in the 2019 Phase 1 program. Highlights of near-surface gold intersections from the 2019 program include Hole 137 with 12.37 grams per ton gold over 1.9 meters. Hole 138 with 113.07 grams per ton gold over 0.55 meters. Hole 139 with 15.8 grams per ton gold over 2.7 meters. Hole 140 with 2.3 grams per ton gold over 25.25 meters includes 5 gold-bearing veins. Hole 144 with 61.35 grams per ton gold over 2.04 meters, and hole 145 with 14.49 grams per ton gold over 1.52 meters. In December 2018, Great Atlantic reported an NI 43101 mineral resource estimate for the Jaclyn Main Zone based on the combined hypothetical mining and processing costs and the assumed price of gold, $1,300 US at that time. A pit-constrained cutoff grade of 0.6 grams per ton was adopted. For the underground portion of the resource, a cutoff of 1.5 grams per ton was assumed. The cutoff grade for the total resource is the weighted average of the pit-constrained and underground cutoff grades, resulting in a total inferred resource of 106,400 ounces capped and 119,900 ounces uncapped, using a weighted average cutoff of 1.1 grams per ton. Because part of the vein is near surface, the resource estimate was constrained by a conceptual open pit to demonstrate reasonable prospects of eventual economic extraction. All resources were classified as inferred because of the relatively wide spacing of drill holes throughout most of the zone. The company has received a permit for soil geochemical and ground geophysical surveys at Gold Anomaly 1 in the southwest region of the property, approximately 4 kilometers northeast of the Linda Snow White gold-bearing quartz system, where in 2018 the company discovered soil geochemical anomalies up to 77 parts per billion gold. The results will be used to identify sites for trenching and diamond drilling. Both the Golden Promise and Southwest Golden Promise properties are located within the exploit subzone of the Newfoundland Dunnage Zone. Within the exploit subzone, the property lies along the north-northwestern fringe of the Victoria Lake Supergroup, or VLSG, a volcano sedimentary terrain. The northwestern margin of the Golden Promise property occurs proximal to and in part contiguous with a major Appalachian scale collisional boundary and suture zone known as the Red Indian Line. The Red Indian Line forms the western boundary of the exploit subzone. The Golden Promise gold property hosts multiple gold-bearing quartz veins and is located within a region of recent significant gold discoveries. Recent significant gold discoveries in this region of the exploit subzone include those of Sokoman Minerals Corp. At the Moosehead Gold Project, 40 kilometers to the east, and Marathon Gold Corp. At the Valentine Lake Gold Camp, 55 kilometers to the southwest. Viewers are warned that mineralization at the Moosehead property and Valentine Lake Gold Camp is not necessarily indicative of mineralization on the Golden Promise property. Great Atlantic, with a number of properties in the Atlantic provinces, is utilizing a project generation model with a special focus on critical elements which are prominent in Atlantic Canada, such as antimony, tungsten, and gold. The shares are trading at 48 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website at greatatlanticresources.com. Contact Christopher R. Anderson, President and CEO, at 604-488-3900 or by email at office@greatatlanticresources.com. I'm Fiona Forbes for Investment Pitch Media.